Hello everyone and welcome back to the Real Power channel. I'm Don Smith. Our truck this week has not one but several firsts, and I want to run through them real quick. To start off with, this is our first 550 with a service body, which accentuates more than ever the value of putting the generator under the truck. This is also the first in the series with a 169-inch wheelbase, making it the shortest and most compact 60 kilowatt work truck we've ever done. On top of all that, this is the first four-wheel drive truck that we've put this large of a generator on. That required us to install our first live drive, which is a system that allows the drive shaft to pass through the transfer case. To top it all off, we got to make one of the coolest power systems yet. From the transformer to the breakers to the outlets, everything is contained in this one small cabinet, which leaves the interior 100% free and open. We've also got a trap door in the bottom which allows the power cables to pass through, letting the operators shut and lock the door here while they are running. Okay, that about wraps it up for now. Keep an eye out for next time and we'll do something a little bit different. I'm Don Smith from Real Power. Thanks for watching.